Well, all of Wall Street's love for Bitcoin has BK more excited than he has ever been. That's what he says, at least. So he's at the plasma right now to break it all down and what it could ultimately mean for the cryptocurrency beaks.
Yeah, pretty much. I actually saw this news and was very, very excited. I'm actually a little shocked that the market didn't pick up on this. But you notice what Dom said at the end of that segment? He said that you're going to get physical delivery of Bitcoin. Well, that doesn't really sound that interesting, except for the fact it means the ICE.
The physical delivery of Bitcoin is very important because right now in the futures market, there's no actual ownership of the actual cryptocurrency. So let's let him continue.
As a custody solution. That has been the big hurdle. How do you hold on to these assets? Have are generally bearer instruments, just like old bearer bonds. And so you have to have a third-party custody person. So that's the big deal. They have come up with a custody solution for institutional holders. So it now means cryptocurrencies look to be becoming an emerging asset class, just like futures did, just like options were, and just like foreign currency were back in the 70s. So then again, that was part of my original thesis when I looked at this 5 years ago. That's how this was going to evolve. And then finally, what does this do? It opens the door for pensions and endowments. Up to this point, it's been very difficult for them to get comfortable compliance-wise in holding cryptocurrency. If ICE becomes a custodian or has a custodian solution that is SEC qualified, that fits with their compliance, that's going to open the floodgates. This is a big growing market, but it's still relatively small to the other markets. And just a small amount of capital flowing into this could have some big price moves. So let's take a look at Bitcoin, where we are in this. We looked at this last night. We're still in this uptrend here. Okay, 10,000, still a big number here. We had a little sell-off today. I think people just misunderstood this news. They didn't realize how.
So the technical analysis part is a little old. This is 2 days later. So we still haven't seen the growth in the cryptocurrency market. It's my personal opinion. I've actually moved up my limit orders. I've been dollar cost averaging. I try to buy crypto at least twice a month. And like I said, because I had been buying at such low prices in April and in February, I previously had stated that I'm just going to sit and kind of watch. If it went below 300 billion, I'd make another move. I've officially now moved it up to 400 billion. So if it does go under 400 billion, I'll begin to buy more crypto. And this custodianship solution is amazing for cryptocurrencies. Like I said, this hasn't happened yet, so that's why maybe it's not priced into the market. But this would bring in trillions of dollars. Institutional money is a large, large customer. And like I said, this would also help the entire world, just not financial institutions in the United States. Obviously, United States could be kind of like a flagship. I believe in Asian countries, it's already getting closer and closer. But as this becomes a different asset class, everyone's going to want to own a little bit of it because of the idea of it being a hedge against other markets. And also possibly it could act like a commodity, which once again could be used as a hedge against inflation and other asset classes that are struggling. So we'll wait and see. It hasn't done anything to the market today or right now at least. But if you haven't bought or if you had stopped buying and you want to continue to just sit and watch, go for it. I wouldn't be too aggressive into buying this market. And like I said, I just moved up some of my orders to 400 billion. And previously I was waiting for it to dip below 300 billion if I was going to buy again. But I don't know. I don't see any kind of major negative news that would cause another dip. So this could be the start of where we actually finally hit that $1 trillion market cap, but only time will tell. And let me know your comments and thoughts, and I will talk to you guys soon.